Up at the Greenhouse Sensation greenhouse in Maudsley. Now, sometimes things can be a victim of their own success. This Apache Chilli plant was sort of put in as an afterthought, shall we say. But when it comes to an Oxypot, which uses the DWC technique, which is deep water culture, there's no such thing as an afterthought because the plants grow unbelievably well. And as you can see, it's completely laden with fruit, ripe, unripe. I've just taken a nice bag full here to make something over the weekend. So if you like a lot of chilies on your plant, try an Apache in Oxypot.